All right, this is Thunder with Graylind.com. We have some live numbers coming in. Jim, field rep out in St. Louis. We just got done setting up a. There it is. I was wondering. Wait a minute. We just got done setting up here. No, there's no numbers there.
Gotta get her started.
Okay, right. We got a live start on a motorcycle. Perfect. With numbers that were calibrated out to zero on start. Excellent. So, Jim, it's your first day. You got your machine today, came in the mail, and you've already had a couple challenges. And is this an easy piece of equipment to operate?
Piece of cake. Piece of cake. As soon as you figure out the recalibration, draining the water, then it's
all you have to do.
Self-explanatory. Can you hear me up here with the motorcycle?
Coming in loud and clear.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, I might have had the all the factory reps in training here tonight. We call it Graylind University. This is how we do it.
What piece of that? What's that reading from?
Hey, Jason, this is a NREC 7000. 700.
That's the motorcycle.
And we're doing a motorcycle. Yeah, what kind of motorcycle?
Is that the second reading after you wrote it?
No, just started the vehicle. We're getting some baseline numbers. We like to run the vehicle for. What's up with our nitric?
Actually, I'm too close with my phone.
Your phone's already on. You've already taken nitric oxide to the to zero.
Jeez.
Whoops.
That is a test dummy boo-boo, and it's so easy to do, Jim. What you did is you, since you were doing the Astro, the image that was on that phone was already affecting the fuel tank on the bike, I imagine, parked right by it.
I did have the bike right next to the car, yeah.
You have a 30-foot field that's coming off that device, and that's obviously what happened. So this is cool. I mean, that's fine. It's a simple. Even Jason made a mistake. Jason Fowler, our rep up in Forever Green Solutions in Boston. He called me up. He says, "Yeah, Thunder, there's something wrong with my device." I said, "Why?" "Well, I'm doing a fire truck here for the city, and it's a diesel. It's blowing zero." I said, "Jason, you haven't put the hologram on the fuel chip?" "No, not at all." "Well, that doesn't make any sense, Jason. You're right. The numbers can't be zero." Do you have the anti-smog on your phone?" "Oh. Well, yeah. Well, then that's why your numbers are zero on baseline."
Yeah, back the motorcycle out to be convenient for the next run, and then obviously it was right next to the van.
We saw a bike today that had hydrocarbon numbers up around 2,700, 2,400. Is that where it was?
Yeah, it was high.
Yeah.
Crazy high.
So yeah, this is one that came in contact with our. So what folks are seeing here, they're not seeing the baseline numbers like when we started the vehicle. We thought what this is what we call a skewed test. And scientifically, we got to look for these things. But the end result in this skewed test isn't exactly a false test. It's an accurate test that just did not provide a baseline.
A good baseline, right.
A solid baseline. What it's showing is our second test without the first. Taking our numbers to single-digit midgets, carbon monoxide almost wiped out. Nitric oxide's gone. Only thing left are a few hydrocarbons. Yeah. Technology was cleaning up our planet.
It already smells good.
Now, if you have a car, you're going to see that the hydrocarbons are not. I'm sorry. You're going to see it. Yeah, the hydrocarbons are not as high on cars as they are on motorcycles. But that's because the motorcycle doesn't have a catalytic converter. Well, we're showing numbers that cars with catalytic converters don't see on a motorcycle. Pay attention if you're involved with Harley Davidson right now. Last American bike builder in the United States does not need to be harassed by our government. Guys at Harley, pay close attention. Graylind Industries is here to help you. Hey, until next time, great job. This has been a fun one. You didn't even have to gas it up. You just watch the numbers drop.
I didn't even. Yep.
Skid test by guilty of association, being too close to the technology, and we took pollution away. Hey, until next time, this is Thunder. Jim, tell folks where to find you.
Hey, I'm at quantumnrgnow.com.
Quantum NRG now. Get it. Be good.